Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on Krisp AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in krisp.ai and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Krisp AI website. If you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in button instead of manage account. Proceed with logging in to your account and then click on the manage account button and you will be taken into your home page. Now click on the settings button at the left side and you will end up within the settings page. Now in order to change your language, just click on the language drop down menu and you will be allowed to choose from the available list of languages. Click on whichever language you prefer to use, and once you choose your language, this will be applied onto your account right away. If you wish to change this back, you can once again come back to the account section and then select from the list of available languages. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on Krisp AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.